These are in the process of being modernized main passenger elevators at the Mellon Institute at Carnegie-Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally manually controlled Westinghouse, and they got a Selectomatic mod in probably the 50s or 60s, but now they're being modernized by industrial commercial elevator with Innovation Universal. The one on the right still in the process of being modernized. Ugh, I hate that. I hate that new cab. This looks like actually a complete replacement. We'll go down to 1. Interior go down. Yeah, this is a complete replacement. That was my first time seeing the new cab. Here at 1. That fan's also annoying.
First floor.
Look up to 8. Interior go up. Here at 8.
8th floor.
Going back down to 4. 88 phone. I would have hit the signal button right there, but it's already doing the beeps and the voice and all that. Just your basic stainless steel cab. It takes a second phone to start up for some reason. Brand new. Here we're back at 4. Oh, that fan